Hey everyone, if you're a woodworker, dust, dust, dust. That's all we deal with. We make dust all the time, and it's so nice if we could find a way to contain all the different things we do. Then we blow the dust all over the place. It's totally insane, but the Blum Minipress might be the worst culprit of all. When you use that thing, it's dust everywhere, but no longer, because we have the solution at FastCap. We've created a vacuum system working with Justin, a professional woodworker and cabinet maker, and he came up with this great idea that you can put right on your Blum Minipress, and then it will suck up all the dust, basically 90% of it plus, leaving you with a perfectly clean work surface and no blowing necessary and no struggle. It's amazing what happens when you put shop floor solutions. Oh, and then of course there's always more FastCap products that Justin uses. Screw gun mount to our tape measure holder, you name it, FastCap solutions to the rescue. You can get them at fastcap.com.